Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to reset your Comcast router in 2025. Whether you're fixing slow speeds, connection drops, or just want a fresh start, this method works every time. First, make sure your router is powered on. You should see the lights blinking or solid. That tells you it's up and running. Now, look for the reset button on the back of your Comcast router. It's usually a teeny hole labeled reset. You will need a paper clip or something similar to press it. Once you're ready, press and hold that reset button for 30 seconds. Don't let go early. Hold it down until the lights on the router begin to flash. That means the reset process has started. After that, give your router about 5 to 10 minutes to fully reboot. It will restore the factory default settings, which means your Wi-Fi name and password will go back to what's printed on the label at the bottom of your router. Now, grab your phone or laptop and connect to the default Wi-Fi. Open the browser and go to 10.00.1. That's the admin portal. Log in using the default credential also printed on your router, then reconfigure your Wi-Fi name and password if needed. And that's it. Your Comcast router is fully reset and ready to go in 2025. This quick method clears up a ton of connection issue and gets your internet running smoother again. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, leave a comment if you got any questions, and subscribe for more tech how-to videos. See you in the next one.